my channel. So today I have a makeup tutorial for you guys, and I'm actually going on vacation at the beginning of the year, which is so crazy because I usually don't travel a lot at the beginning of the year because I try to set my goals and stuff like that. But you know what, this year one of my goals actually is to travel more and not overthink it or be you know what, I'm not gonna go because of this and this, and make excuses. I feel like I used to do that in the past when I came to vacation. So now I'm okay, you know what, I'm just gonna go and have fun and explore and really be adventurous, and that's one of the things that I want to do. And I got a bunch of makeup, and I knew I was gonna, you know, bring the new makeup to the destination that I'm gonna be at. I'm actually gonna go to CABO. I wanted to do a tropical fun look, so that's why I'm wearing this orange top, and I wanted to do a very bronzy fun look full of fun colors. So I did a lot of warm tones and stuff like that. And if you guys are new to my channel, hi guys, my name is Arika. I hope you guys get ready with me, and I hope you guys get even a little bit of inspiration from this makeup look. I also am just getting over a cold, so I do have a nasally voice, so excuse my little stuffiness, but I'm all better now. I took so many vitamins and stuff like that, and I did the sauna, and I'm gonna do a getting over a cold video ASAP. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell so you receive a notification every time I upload a video. So let's get started on this tropical vibes makeup tutorial. I have nothing on my face. My skin has been kind of acting really weird because I was sick for a little bit, so I was not really taking care of my skin too much. I was just sleeping a lot, so skin's kind of crazy and my nose is a little bit stuffy. But first we're gonna prime the eyeshadow with my favorite eyeshadow primer, the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. This amazing new palette from Morphe. It is called the 24G Grand Glam. You can use my code Arika to get a percentage off. Look how pretty these colors are. And they're huge. I'm gonna take the M516 brush, take this creamer color, and tap it onto the eye. Put it on the eye, almost filling up the whole eye space. Then I'm going to take the color Flirty, Morphe M577, Morphe M502. I'm going to blend that out. The colors on the Grand Glam palette are so pigmented. Then I'm going to take that same blending Morphe M502. This is one of my favorite Morphe brushes, the color Mojo. And I'm going to just kind of go over that last color, leaving the color behind to show where it's mixed together, but you see sort of a 3D look. Now I'm gonna take this flat Morphe M135 brush, and I'm gonna take this color right here. It is the color Crystal, and I'm gonna tap it into the middle of my eye and gradiently pull it up. Now I'm going to take the color Brassy, and then I'm going to take the brush Morphe G18. Where the outer V would go, but just the top, fill that in with the Brassy. And it kind of brings back the other background colors. Lastly, on the eyes for now, I'm going to take this color Sunshiney. And I can take that same G18 brush, and this time going crazier. Take a big fluffy brush like the M511 and blend it all together. Take this MAC pencil brush right here, the color Mooch, and lightly create an outer V. Taking an angled brush, this is the Morphe E29. Taking a dark brown color, Brew. I'm gonna draw a faux wing line. Taking a blending brush. I'm gonna wipe the fallout. And then we're gonna go into the skin. We'll go back into the eyes a little later. For skincare, I'm gonna start off with the under eyes. I'm gonna use the Tatcha Revitalizing Eye Cream. And then for the skin, I'm going to be using the Farsali Unicorn Essence. And this will keep my face nice and hydrated, good for being outside and stuff like that. I probably put on a little SPF as well. And then I'm going to put on my favorite moisturizer ever, the Tatcha Silk Cream. And to correct my under eyes and stuff like that, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Orange. And then I'm going to prime my face with Kat Von D's Hydrating Primer and Base. And then I'm going to be using my favorite foundation ever, the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation. Next, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light medium. And then I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the color 55 Rich Tan. For the nose contour, I'm actually going to use the KKW Beauty Contour Stick. This is the medium. I like use literally all of it. And shade my nose. Taking a new beauty blender, or like a clean one, just blend that nose out. So I'm going to use the Laura Mercier translucent powder and set my under eyes. And now onto the eyebrows. I'm going to take Benefit's Highbrow and draw this Morphe Angel Merino brush. It's actually an old one, but I do love this collection, and it is the AC62 flat brush. And then I'm going to take Precisely My Brow by Benefit Cosmetics in number 4. Goof Proof Brow Pencil and fill it in. And then I'm going to take the 24-hour brow setter to keep the brows intact. And now I'm going to do my eyeliner. I'm going to take the M Cosmetics Illustrative Eyeliner. So now I'm going to do my lashes. As always, I'm going to take the Arika Lash by Lily Lashes. I'm going to be using the Marc Jacobs Highliner Gel Crayon in the color Blacker. Put it in my waterline. Whoa, that is dark. So I'm going to take the color Frenchy right here with the Sigma Short Shader. And then I'm going to take the same brush and get the color Mojo. And then I'm going to take Flirty. I'm going to take the G18 brush and pull the color up. Because the black eyeliner was so thick, I'm actually going to do my waterline inside with the same eyeliner. And this, we're going to have to like actually lift the eye. I'm going to try to do it holding my... And once I do this, I can actually connect the eyeliner and everything together. I'm going to actually just take a tear duct color. This is the Morphe M217 color Glazed. And I'm going to go into the tear ducts. I'm going to take the M500 from Morphe, and I'm going to take the Hoola Bronzer in this Cheek Parade palette, and I'm going to lightly... Okay, so now I'm going to do my highlight. I did a little bit of the contouring, and then I'm going to do the highlight. Actually taking is a liquid highlight. I actually take this Hourglass Vanish highlighter in the color Gold Flash, and it's like super gold. Like I already swatched them earlier. It's like freaking amazing. Okay, let me just do it right here for you. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Just like the stick foundation. And I'm gonna carefully put it right there. And right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. I'm going to put them on the highest points of my face, and I'm going to take a beauty blender, preferably like a cleaner one so there's no like contour or stuff on it. Blend it out into my skin. You want the highlight to like literally live in your skin. I'm gonna actually take, I love this powder so much. It is the MAC Studio Fix Perfecting Powder in medium dark. I'm gonna take the M500 and just kind of rub it on the areas where I really want it to like stay matte. And then I'm gonna take the Morphe E49 brush, and then I'm gonna go back to this handy dandy palette, Galifornia and Dandelion, and just kind of go like that to the apples of my cheeks to tie the look. I've been really loving this ColourPop lip balm. It's the crystal lip balm in the color Amber. It looks orange. It looks like it would be like an orange lipstick, but it literally is just like this lip balm, and it makes my lips so moisturized. It smells like an apricot. It's just so good. So I'm gonna put that on. And then for the lips, I don't want to do something too crazy, because while I'm on vacation, I'm gonna want to like touch it up a little bit with gloss and stuff like that. So I'm gonna actually go with a pretty calm color. Let's line my lips with the color Fawn by Jouer Cosmetics. And I'm gonna take the color Quartz by MAC Cosmetics. This is the Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color. On top of it, like after this dries and stuff like that, because it is a liquid matte, I like to put gloss over, and then throughout the day I'll like just touch it up with the gloss. So I've been really loving this lip gloss. This is the I Love Sarahi ColourPop Atolle Lip Gloss. And finally, for the mascara, I'm going to be using this Ardell top and bottom mascara, but I'm going to be using the bottom portion. I actually use the top side after I like get that base down. To seal off the entire look, I'm going to be using this Paris Hilton Unicorn Mist. Alright guys, so that's it for my Tropical Vibes makeup tutorial. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys do this look. It's pretty easy and fun, and it really is a universal look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thumbs up the video if you guys like this, and before you guys go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell so you receive a notification every time I upload a video. I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys are having a fabulous, fabulous new year. Bye guys! Mwah.